Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your machine meets minimum specs. Chrome OS needs adequate RAM, storage, and a compatible CPU. Once done, download the official image or a compatible Chromium OS build and grab the Chromebook recovery utility. Plug in an 8 GB or larger USB and create the installer. Make sure to verify the checksum so you avoid corrupted media. You'll also enable USB boot in UEFI settings if needed, because without that the installer won't run. You boot from the USB by selecting the boot menu and choosing your installer. Wait for the live environment to load and test peripherals. Then run the installer, select the correct target drive, and confirm you understand it will erase existing data. Proceed only when ready. After installation, you'll complete initial configuration. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and enable developer or legacy features if you need Android apps or Linux containers. You finish by updating the system and enabling optional features like the Play Store or Christini for Linux apps. Make display and power adjustments for battery life. Once configured, create a recovery USB and back up your data so you can revert if needed. Also record firmware settings you changed. If something goes wrong, reflash the installer USB, temporarily disable Secure Boot, or switch to legacy mode, and double-check hardware compatibility lists. Those steps resolve most common install failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.